Developing a data management plan is the first step in the data lifecycle. Your data management plan will help you preserve your data, save time while managing your data, and increase the visibility of your research. You might also find that your grant funding agency requires a formal data management plan for your proposal. In this video, we'll take a look at DMPTool, a free online resource for developing your data management plan. To get started with DMPTool, go to DMPTool.org and sign in using your uofl.edu email address. Once you've logged in, you can get started creating your data management plan by clicking Create Plan. Give your project a title, ideally the exact title of your grant, then begin typing your primary funding organization for your research to find the data management plan template specific to that organization. If your project isn't funded, or if you'd like a generic template, check the box next to No Funder Associated with this plan or My Funder is not listed. For example, let's choose NSF as the primary funder, then NSF E&G as our template. We can now access all the required information we need to fill out for this particular organization's data management plan. On the Write Plan tab, you can find prompting questions and guidance from the funding agency and the DMP tool for each part of the plan. You can also add your research outputs. When you're finished, set the visibility of your plan to public, private, or only those in your organization, then download the generated PDF including all of your materials. DMPTool also allows you to view data management plans created by others. Click Public Plans at the top of the page, then search general keywords related to your field, or try the name of a specific funding organization. Since we're creating a plan for NSF E&G, we'll search using the term engineering to find similar plans. You can also use filters to narrow your results. Looking at examples can be particularly helpful if you're writing your first plan. You may be intimidated by this process, but you've got this. You should be thorough, but also clear and concise. Many successfully funded proposals are based on quality over word count. Librarians are here to help with any questions you have about managing your data, including best practices for writing data management plans. Check out the U of L Data Management Resource Guides for more information and to find the contact information for the Belknap and Health Sciences Campus Research Data Management Coordinators. For the Belknap campus, you can request a data management plan review by filling out the provided form. It's helpful to provide as much information as needed to understand your research, including the funding organization requirements and any drafts you may have. Best of luck!